So, hi Kriti, today is a questionnaire session. So, how do you feel this time?
Yeah, I feel really good, and I think I give my best to give your question. So I give the answer of your question, and I try my best.
Okay, if you study in elegant classes, so tell about your journey of elegant.
Yeah, my journey of elegant is really nice, and I want to tell you that what is the experience of my elegant. So when I come here at first time, I saw there are so many students who speaks English very well, and I used to think that why I don't come earlier, and but after learning, after spending some time here, I think that no, I also have to speak English, and I also have to learn English.
At that time, you feel nervous.
Yeah, of course, in first time I feel nervous because sir asked me many questions, and some of the questions that I reply, and some of the questions which I don't know, then I feel nervous.
Okay, and tell about your tea in elegant class.
Yeah, we all know that our teacher, that is who is Sekhar sir, and Sekhar sir is really good teacher. I used to think that he is a very angry person, but after spending time, I realized that no, he's a good person, and he's really funny and kind-hearted. If I talk about the what is the nature, what nature a good teacher have, then I saw him that what is the quality of a good teacher. So Sekhar sir is really good teacher. I have to say that, and yeah.
Okay, and what do you see here you attract too much?
I see the involvement of when you like something, then you are attracted. So I also attract here by many things. Like I attract by the students. Like there are so many students who speaks English very fluently, and I used to think that why I am not speaking. So also the involvement of this elegant, like sir teach us not only syllabus things, they teach about our life lessons, like what do you want in your life, then what is the life lesson they used to teach us. So also there are so many things which attract me here, and like I attract a lot, like I see on him that the teacher of the quality of a good teacher. So I think he is a really good teacher, and I attract these things.
Okay, and you attack like a sir accent is very different and fabulous.
Yeah, I know there. Not only sir, I also see there are so many students whose accent is very different and whose accent is very good, and I also want to speak like them. So these things I really like. So also if they try that, there are so many students who have fear to come on podium and speak English. Like so they have to remove their hesitation in speaking. Like speaking skill is very important for everyone, because if you when you develop communication skill, your speaking skill, then you can see many changes in you. And language is what you, like we can see that if we a child just when he starts learning Hindi, then he just listen, yeah, his parents, his brother, his sister, like everyone, he just listen what they are speaking. So that same, if you are just listening, but if you just start listening those people who are speaking English, then then your mind is automatically think that English is just a language, and we can. So if you want to learn English, then you don't think that I know grammar, I don't know grammar. Then if you start thinking then I don't know grammar, firstly I have to learn grammar, then you never speak English, then you never.
Okay, tell me how much for a student book is important. Like when a student reading book, then communication skill is better or not?
So yeah, as we know that if you are saying that reading books can improve our communication skill, then it may be or not, I don't think so, but reading books can improve our pronunciation, our vocabulary. And also there are so many successful persons I see, they just read books and they know that what is going in our like country. And reading books also teach us life lessons, like what decisions should we have to take. And yeah, so successful persons became success